All right, another answer to a question. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alright, this is going to be a quick one, but we actually have a question here from Turbo32Cube. And he says, what expiration date are you buying with your SLV options? Thanks. For me, I'm buying, again, this just depends on you, but you've got to be happy with this. And yeah, so you got to be really, really happy with this. So the thing for me personally, I like to trade I like to give myself at least good time. So I'm buying January, March, and at least January next year option. That's going to give me a good 5 months worth of time in the markets. And even if you want to have a bit more time, even go out to March. That's going to give you a bit more time. Remember, time is important if you have these sort of trades. Now again, it just depends on what your type of trade is. But it's also remember, it's what your risk tolerance is. What your risk tolerance is how much time you want to buy. So obviously, the more time you buy, you're minimizing your risk, right? But by giving the trade a bit more time. But also, secondly, make sure when you're buying, you understand the risk. If you buy out of the money, in this particular video, I talk about how I bought out of the money options. That is a very risky trade, and I could lose 50% overnight with that. Sometimes that happens. It's depending on what happens with silver. So I could lose 50% overnight, right? But so just understand that if you're buying out of the money options, yes, they may be cheaper, but you can lose a lot more really quickly as well too. So focus on that. The next thing I want to say is that if you don't want to take on much risk, if you want to have a less riskier trade, buy in the money options. Yes, they're more expensive, but guess what? You're protecting yourself from a major sort of meltdown with your account. And obviously be smart with your money management. So there we go, guys. What expiration date are you buying with the SLV options? That's the answer to that. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course, and I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.